Model, 69-plate Fiat Ducato 35-2-3130 Multijet MH1 low loader Luton box. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 143,636. MOT, the 1st of December 2024. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 411D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect when connected to a jump pack. Alternator needs replacing. Battery light on the dash. Straightforward alternate replacement job, starts and drives brilliantly otherwise. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. You can tell this Ducato has never been driven hard. With just a little bit of TLC and an alternator, this van could be back to tip-top condition and on the road making you money. Features: 1 former keeper, sat-nav, cruise control, air-con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 8,275.